Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable that little feature that you see on my taskbar called News and Interest in Windows 10. So, let's get to the video. First, we're going to left click on the taskbar. We're going to select News and Interest. We're going to select Turn Off because we are turning it off. And voila, it's turned off. Very simple, huh? Now, if you want to bring it back, let's do the same thing. Right click on the taskbar, select News and Interest, and select either Show Icon and Text or Show Icon Only. So let's try both and see how it's going to look. So the first one is Show Icon and Text, and you will see that what we had before. Now, if we're going to select Show Icon Only, then this is all what you see. That little sun shining so bright. Okay, so if you want to turn it off completely, we're going to repeat step 1. So right click on the taskbar, News and Interest, and turn off. And voila, we just turn it off again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and be well.